second free throw. That's good. Back to 5-point lead here of the Mariners. Paghoy, passes to Tocson. Verse with that great defense. No, STI's basketball. Mendoza, heavily guarded here still from Bacolod. An easy two here.
(14-7) on our scoreboard and pabor pa rin dito sa ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. They seem prepared para dito sa ating larong ito. Olympians with the ball possession, heavily guarded here. Both teams are seeking to get their win sa araw na ito. And now, free throw opportunity will be given on the side of the Olympians. First basket was good. Offensive rebound para dito sa Olympians.
No.
7 seconds to shoot.
Russell is having that big three for the STI Olympians. Naibaba na nga po nila yung kalamangan ng Mariners ngayon sa tatlo. Now nagmamadali dito, Razon. Second chance, no good. Perse with that rebound. STI on the offense. Back-to-back points for the side of the STI.
Isang puntos na lamang dito ang kalamangang hawak ng Blue Dolphins. Anong gagawin nila yung adjustment to regain the lead?
Now Bacolod. Defensive foul will be given to the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 13-14. Only 1 point po ang hinahabol dito ng ating STI Olympians. 3 minutes and 6 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Now Barreda to inbound. Now passes. Now that's a backcourt violation committed by the side of the STI Olympians. Montana. Ang nakakamit kanina na violation. Now Taghoy to inbound. Now passes here to Bacolod. 10 seconds to shoot. Passes on the outside. Tries for a three-pointer. No good. But offensive rebound. Bacolod again with the ball. 8 seconds to shoot here. Bacolod. Passes to Razon for a three-pointer. In and out ball. Now, STI Olympians on the offense now. Another 3 points coming from the side of the STI Olympians. Kudos para dito kay Martinez. Second 3-point shot niya na dito sa ating first quarter.
The table has turned on the side of the STI Olympians. 16-14. Napakagandang tres ang pinakuwala ng that last sequence. Blue Dolphins with the ball possession. Soriano looking for his teammate. Razon, wala pa din, but the second chance point para dito sa ating Blue Dolphin side, courtesy of Texon.
No, he will be on the free throw line here. 16 all. 3-point play. That's good. 1:57 remaining.
Nasa kanila ulit dito ang Kalamangan with 1 point. 1:52 remaining for our first quarter.
Now. Jersey number 11 will be on the free throw line, Pado. Pado now, 2 free throws will be given to him. 16-17, chance here. Take on the lead again against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 1:39 remaining. First basket was good. Deadlock on 17.
Let's see on the second attempt kung maibabalik sa kanila ang Kalamangang hawak. But no good on that. Second attempt, jersey number 17. Passes the ball to Bacolod. Mamadali, no good. The ball will remain on the side of the Olympians. And substitution on the side of the Olympians, Cario. Hindi papasok.
Now Martinez with the ball. 1:22 remaining. Martinez, a steal from the side of the Mariners. Taghoy. Pero a steal from the side of the STI Olympians. Barredo now with the ball. Heavily guarded here. Now passes to jersey number 34. Back pass. Pero a foul was whistled. Babalik muli sa free throw line itong si jersey number 11, Pado. 57 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Pado, first free throw. No good. Still deadlock on 17 all. Both teams are now on the penalty. Pado for his second free throw. Still no good. Now Razon. Passes to Chavez. Heavily guarded here. 49 seconds. Now on the other side. 10 seconds remaining on the side of the Mariners. And that's an offensive foul committed by Chavez. 37 seconds remaining here as the Olympians deadlock in 17 all. Now another foul was whistled para dito kay Chavez. Jersey number 34, Montana. First basket was good. Montana again, second free throw, that's good. 19-17. Nakuha nila yung 2 puntos na Kalamangan dito bago pa magtapos ang ating first quarter. Now 29 seconds remaining. Jersey number 24, heavily guarded here. Now passes to Soriano. And that's a 3-pointer coming from the side of the Mariners. Nilagpasan nila at 1 puntos yung hawak nila ngayon, but still coming from Razon. But that will be a foul. And he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. No good on that first free throw. Now let's see for the second free throw of Razon. 19-20 and only 10 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Still no good. Now STI Olympians on the offense now. 7 seconds remaining. And Cario loses that ball. Still a chance here for the Mariners to extend that 1-point lead. Now Chavez, 2 seconds remaining. Releases that ball. And that's the end of the first quarter. Ending at 19-20 in favor of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. We will be back for the second quarter of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Back here for our second quarter. Again, matchup between the Olympians and the Blue Dolphins. Abante ng isa dito, ang Mariners Blue Dolphins. Corporal with the ball. Kanino ibigay ang ball possession, so still nasa Blue Dolphins ang bola. Razon to inbound. Corporal will try. No good.
Alex Cario nagmamadali dito on the inside. No good. Pero the ball will go on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Talagang nagmamadali dito si Cario. 19-20.
Blue Dolphins with the ball possession. And Corporal losing that one. So turnover on their side. The ball will go on the side of the STI Olympians. Hindi talaga nagkakalayo ang score ng dalawang kupunan na ito. So let's see kung sino ang magkakaroon at makakabuild ng momentum. Meanwhile, tawagin natin ang courtside reporter sa side ng Olympians to give us an update. Ali, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup and only a few minutes of the ball game. Tensions are high sa ibang mga players, kaya naman they were reminded to relax and just focus. Be composed and set your mind to defense and offense. The boys were also reminded that communication is also a must for a sure basket. To eliminate errors, the head coach also emphasized to just stick to the game plan. That's it for now on the side of the STI. Back to you, Tin and Rick.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, mag-stick lang sa game plan itong ating STI Olympians. And of course, to really bigay yung best nila dito sa laro nila against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And as we can see right now, they have a 1-point lead here. Now it's the ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Chavez now with the ball. Now tries, no good. Cario with that rebound. Now passes here to jersey number 0. Unsportsmanlike foul. Ipapataw dito kay Chavez. But to hear an update on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla. Anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you so much, Rick and Teen. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup during the huddle. Coaches commended their effort during the first quarter. Kailangan lang nilang maging consistent sa bawat galaw dahil dikit ang laban. Their everyday training really helps them to be consistent in their play. Coaches reminds them na basahin palagi ang depensa ng kalaban at laging mag-stick sa depensa na siniset ni Coach Tan. They are reminded na pag nakahabol ang opponent, they should not be pressured about it. Relax at mas paganahin ang kanilang team effort. Yan muna ang update for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update sa iyo na. Mariners Blue Dolphins need to strive harder. Nakita naman natin na nakalamang na dito ang STI Olympians. Dapat ibalik nila yung kaninang groove on that first quarter para sa kanilang kupunan for them to snatch the lead dito sa ating laro. Now, STI Olympians with the ball possession pero maaagaw ito. So, Blue Dolphins on the offense.
Now, Bacolod, no good on that one offensive rebound here. Razon passes on the other side. Bacolod again. Now tries for a mid-range jumper. That's good. Para dito kay jersey number 18, Panis. Now, SDI on the offense now. Montana. Or Martinez. Rather, having that point here for the STI Olympians. Now, Alex Carrio with that steal. Nagmamadali dito. Di alintana yung mga bantay sa baba. But na, nagkakagawa na ng bola. Alex Carrio was there. But, back-to-back steal here. Barredo. But this time, it was a traveling violation committed by Barredo. Fast-paced basketball and the timeout was called sa side ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins.
And we will be right back after this short break.
And we are back for the continuation of our second quarter. 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. 26-22 sa ating scoreboard. Lamang po ng 4 ang ating STI Olympians. So now let's see after that timeout what will be the adjustment of the Mariners Blue Dolphins dito. Dahil talagang humahabol yung ating STI Olympians at nalagpasan yung kanilang puntos. Now, Chavez passes to jersey number 18, loses it, but Chavez was there to secure that ball. 14 seconds remaining. Jersey number 18 tries, no good. Now, Barredo with the ball. Nagmamadali dito, sasaksak sa loob. Getting that point, pero babawi dito sa side ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Panis having that easy too. Now Barredo, passes here to Carrio. Ooh, a good pass pero nakuha yan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. Razon. And offensive foul was committed by Corporal. So a lost opportunity para dito sa ating Blue Dolphins. Now the service. passes to Cario. Traveling violation. Tondo. Passes to Chavez. Napanis loses the ball. And that will be a turnover for the side of the STI Olympians.
Four-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng STI Olympians. Now it's their ball possession. Chance for them to add their score. Barredo passing the ball to Berce. Forcing that one, pero no good. So foul was called on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Berce stepping on the free throw line for an opportunity.
Four minutes and 56 seconds remaining. First basket was good para dito kay Berce. 29-24, 5-point lead of the STI Olympians. Now second free throw of Berce. No good. Pero offensive rebound dito. Berce again with the ball. Heavily guarded. Pero that will be a traveling violation committed by him. So this is a chance for the Mariners Blue Dolphins para bawasan yung kalamangan na meron yun ng ating STI Olympians. Now,
Blue Dolphins with the ball possession.
Now 9 seconds remaining on the side of the Blue Dolphins here. Chavez with the ball. Now tries for a three-pointer. That's good. Maipasok pa yan ni Chavez. And with that, 2 puntos na naman yung kanilang hinahabol dito. Now let's see as the STI Olympians having that 2-point lead. Cario passes on the corner here. Tries for a 3. No good. Now nagmamadali dito. At naipasok na yung puntos na yan ni Tondo. Now Rosales. Rosales passes to Berce. And with that, hindi hinihayaan ng STI Olympians na makalamang itong ating Mariners. Now Razon passes to Chavez. Chavez with that ball, 10 seconds to shoot here. But Barredo was there to steal that ball. Cario. Isa talaga sa mga gusto niyang gawin, yung mabilisan na laro talaga dito.
Fast play kung fast play para dito kay Cario. Pero whistle coming from our referee here. 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining for our first half. 33-29 on our scoreboard. Ayan, quick shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out kay Sofia, Francesca Recto at kay James Bryan.
Now Tondo. The free throw line. (33-29).
Shout out din dito kay Julie Shelo. Maraming salamat po sa panunood.
Now Berce without rebound. Passes now to Rosales. 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Rosales passes to Barredo for a three-pointer. In and out ball. Berce was there. No good. Another time. And this time basket count with the foul. Doon sa kanyang pangatlong oportunidad, nakuha nga ni Berse yung puntos na yan. Now, quick replay again on that beautiful sequence. Now, Berse on the free throw line for a 3-point opportunity.
Seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins. No good, pero offensive rebound para kay Bacolod. Too short for that.
Now, 35-29 still on our scoreboard. 2-minute mark para dito sa ating first half. Yan.
Last 2 minutes for this first half. Now, Bacolod. May hawak ng bola. Pass for that one, and 3 points ang may dadagdag dito sa kanilang kupunan. Courtesy of jersey number 20.
Now, STI Olympians nagkakagawa dito ng bola. Rosales gets it to Barreto. Barreto, no good. The ball will stay on the side of the STI Olympians. And the timeout was called para dito sa side ng ating STI Olympians.
35-32, magbabalik po kami maya-maya.
And we are back for the continuation of our second quarter, 35-32. 3 puntos po ang hawak ngayon ng ating STI Olympians. A minute and 24 seconds remaining dito. Naball possession ng STI. Perse having that point, extending their lead here against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now, ano gagawin dito ng Blue Dolphins? Bacolod passes on the other side. 14 seconds to shoot. No good on that attempt. Rosales was there for that rebound. Now they are taking their time here. Barredo.
No good. Chance for the Blue Dolphins here to score. Bacolod. Passing the ball to his teammate, and a block coming from Berse.
Berse denied that ball. Now, let's take a look at it. Bacolod passes to jersey. But blocked. Now 40 seconds remaining here. 37-32 with a 5-point lead here. Ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng Mariners Blue Dolphins dahil paunti-unti ngang lumalamang itong ating STI Olympians. Well, on the other side, the STI, napakaganda ng connection ng kanilang mga players, most especially Berse, na talagang papakinabangan sa talagang depensa nitong ating STI Olympians. And of course, shoutout din tayo dito kay Marniala Berido, Erica De Lima, Carla May Calleja at Karen K. Escaro. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. And we only have 40 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half of the game of the STI Olympians and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. At labang nga po ng 5 itong ating STI Olympians at naghahabol itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, kaya kailangan nilang gumawa ng paraan dito para mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating Blue Dolphins. Now with 16 seconds to shoot on their side, let's see. Jersey number 0 here, Tondo. Bese was there pero good recovery from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Bacolod, first basket was good. Now we will try again for the second time here to lessen that gap of the STI Olympians, and that's 2-on-2. Both teams are now on the penalty, 37-34.
36 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. Now Cario passing the ball to Barredo, heavily guarded here. Bitawan pa ang bola. 10 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang kupunan. Barredo. To his teammate. Tries for that one, no good. Perse with an offensive rebound and Perse getting 2 points.
Now 6 seconds remaining. Tondo fires for a 3-pointer, no good. 39-34. And that's the end of our first half. 39-34, 5-point lead coming from the STI Olympians. We'll be back for more actions only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Empower the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
And we are back for the third quarter of the game here. 39-34 on our scoreboard. Now, STI Olympians on the lead here. And it's still coming from the side of the Olympians. Jersey number 11 passes to his teammate. Now, Mendoza. Or Martinez, rather.
5-point lead ang hawak ng ating STI Olympians. Ano kaya ang gagawin dito sa ating second half ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins? Razon. May hawak ng bola. And Razon with that 3 points. Two points lamang ang hawak ngayon ng STI Olympians, and Barreto aiming to add their score here. Now, Malaluan passing the ball to his teammate, pero turnover on their side. Chance for the STI Olympians here to score.
Now, Mariners tries no good. Now, para makarinig tayo ng update from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins dahil medyo napapalaki na yung kalamangan dito ng STI Olympians. Let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla. Anong update natin siya?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup. For this quarter, they are reminded to double their effort on their backs out and rebounding dahil nga lamang ang kalaban sa Bigs maging agresibo at ibigay na ang all-out sa last 2 quarters of this game. Coach Tan reminds them na wag na wag magiging complacent dahil pagdating ng third and lalo na ng final quarter, mas nagiging agresibo ang kalaban. Kailangan makuha ang advantage para hindi sila mahirapan humabol pag lumawang na ang kalaban. For his last reminder before the third quarter start, they need to stay focused and they need to double the hustle this time. And muna ang update for now, balik sa inyo, Rick and Team.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So, double the effort and hustle para dito sa ating Mariners Blue Dolphins because, again, kanina naidikit nila ang score. Ngayon, nagkakaroon na naman ng magagandang offense na ginagawa or binibitawan dito ang SI Olympians. So, let's see kung ano ang magiging adjustment nila pagpasok nitong third quarter na ito. And to hear an update on the other side of things, tawagin natin ang courtside reporter ng Olympians. Hi, Ali. Anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second half of the game, and during the huddle, the boys were commended for their effective defense. However, their head coach continuously reminded the boys to maintain the aggressive play for sure offense. He also emphasized that they should play as one and move as one. So don't focus on yourself, but rather focus on the goal of the team. On this remaining quarters, the Olympians are planning to implement 1-2-2 full court press to man-to-man defense. That's it for now. Back to you, Tinan.
Thank you so much, Ali. Iyan nga, man-to-man defense na yung gagawin dito ng ating STI Olympians para masiguro na makuha yung kanilang kalamangan dito against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 43-41, agad-agad pong nakuha ng Mariners Blue Dolphins yung kaninang medyo malaking kalamangan ng STI Olympians. Ngayon ay nabawasan at bumaba na lang sa 2 puntos ang kinalang hinahabol dito. Now it will be the ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 6 minutes and 52 seconds remaining here. Now Bacolod with the ball possession. We're almost halfway through this third quarter. Bacolod loses the ball, but it will stay on their side.
Dolphins kakaroon ng 2 points para doon sa last sequence na yon. That's why we are outside up at 43. Now Cario maaagawan dito ng bola. Bacolod again para doon sa napakagandang point conversion. Back-to-back points for him. At napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng STI Olympians. Ayan, kitang-kita sa ating instant replay ang napakagandang play kanina ng ating Blue Dolphins.
At ayan nga, Rick, yung kaninang hinahabol ngayon ng Mariners Blue Dolphins at talagang nakuha na nila yung kanilang kalamangan dito against the STI Olympians. And they just need to be consistent here if they really want to get the lead at makuha yung panalo nila dito against the STI Olympians dahil nasa taas po ng Mariners Blue Dolphins itong ating STI Olympians have 3 wins. At kung makuha man po ng Mariners Blue Dolphins sa kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito, ay aarangkada sila ng isang slot dito sa Seniors Division ng ating Bucal Season 6. Now, back to the ball game. Napakaganda na nung pinapakita ngayon ng Mariners Blue Dolphins kaya kailangan lang nilang i-maintain yung magandang momentum na meron sila ngayon at huwag bibitawan dahil alam naman natin itong ating STI Olympians ay babawi at babawi yan pagkatapos ng sunod-sunod na pagputos ng Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Cario passing the ball to
Paredo. Now, Montana. No good. Rebound by the Mariners. Razon. Now it will be the ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Corporal. An easy 2. Back-to-back points coming from their team. Ngayon naman, heavily guarded here. But after that sequence, it will go on the side of the STI Olympians. Martinez to inbound. The pass here to Barredo. Now to Cario. 13 seconds to shoot here. Martinez back to Barredo. On the corner. tries for a three-pointer. No good. Now, Blue Dolphins again, but this time, medyo napasobra yung pagpasa doon. So that will be a quick turnover para dito sa ating STI Olympians. And with 5 minutes and 5 seconds remaining of our third quarter, yung 4 na puntos na kalamangan po, meron na ngayon ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now it will be the ball possession of the STI Olympians, and they have a chance here to lessen that gap ng ating Blue Dolphins. Now, Barredo. Passes here. The jersey number 11. Pero a whistled foul. Nagawagan dito ng foul sa jersey number 30 from the side of the Blue Dolphins. Taghoy on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 43-47. STI now on the penalty.
Ayan, magpasalamat muna tayo sa ating mga sponsors. We have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, BMEG, alagang BMEG, alagang number 1, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, and special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, and also to Digital Graphics. Maraming salamat po. Now, no good on that attempt. Wasted opportunity para dito sa ating Blue Dolphins side, and one player is down on the side of their team.
(43-48). 5-point lead of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. At yung STI Olympians naman ngayon yung naghahabol dito. 4 minutes and 32 seconds remaining on our third quarter of the game. Now STI on the offense. 20 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 0 for a big 3. Martinez again with that big 3. At agad-agad pong nahabol. Medyo malapit na yung hinahabol ngayon ng ating STI Olympians. Now let's see Mariners Blue Dolphins on the offense now. Bacolod. 10 seconds to shoot here. Passes on the other side. Malaluan going inside. Passes here for his teammate. Good connection between the players of the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now chance for the Olympians here to score. Heavily guarded here. And the ball will go on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Foul was called on jersey number 0 on the side of the STI Olympians, Martinez. So another opportunity para dito sa Blue Dolphins to add their lead here sa ating third quarter.
Malaluan on the free throw line. First free throw was good. Extending their lead into 5 points. 3 minutes and 36 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now Malaluan for his second free throw. That's good. Now SDS basketball. Barredo. Passes now to his teammate. Barredo again with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot here. Now on the corner for Martinez. No good this time. Rebound coming from Gazon. Pero still from Barredo. Quick 3 here. No good. Now, Mariners secure that ball. Bacolod. Taking their time here. Bacolod passes on the other side para dito kay Soriano. Bacolod for a 3-pointer. Air ball. So the ball will stay or the ball will go on the side of the STI Olympians. Perse babalik sa loob para magbigay ng magandang depensa against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 3-minute mark of the third quarter. Martinez again with the ball, loses it. Nagkakagawan dito. Now Razon passes on the other side. Now that's a good connection between the players of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Bacolod having that easy too. No good. Tries one more time. Nakuha nga ng STI Olympians yung puntos na yan. Big thanks to Montana. And he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Montana. 48-54. So good. Tatawagan nga dito ng foul si Berse. Penalty na ngayon ang ating STI Olympians. 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining.
So free throw shot will be given. And Razon stepping on that free throw line.
Razon now. .48-55, Razon now.
And basket for Razon. 2 straight points coming from him. So 56-48 na po tayo on our scoreboard.
Now still, Berse loses the ball to stay on the side of the STI Olympians. Big shoutout tayo dito kay John Basales, Team Monteroso, Jameson Venia, Marnella Verito, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. Now Razon going inside with that easy too.
Napakaganda ng pinapakita dito ni Razon on the side of the Blue Dolphins. But 3 points then on the side of the STI Olympians. Talagang ayaw din magpahuli nitong STI squad. Now Razon fires for that 3, no good. Offensive rebound para dito sa Blue Dolphins. And 2 points was added on their side. Ano kaya magiging sagot dito ni Barredo at ng STI squad? With a remaining time of 1 minute and 21 seconds. No good.
A minute and 10 seconds remaining here for our third quarter. 51-60, 9-point lead coming from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now, Razon passes here to Bacolod. On the outside, Razon ulit may hawak ng bola. Tries for a mid-range jumper. That's good. 56 seconds remaining. Now, Barredo. Passes on the other side. Dario. No good. 40 seconds remaining here. Razon. Quick 3 here. No. SDI Olympians, Martinez. Passes to Cario, 21 seconds remaining. Martinez, titira ng 3, no good. Offensive rebound by Berse. Berse ngayon, papasok sa loob. But a whistle foul there. 14 seconds remaining.
Martinez to inbound. Rather Barredo. At agawan nga ng bola dito and a whistle again coming from our referee. Now Martinez on the free throw line for an opportunity on their side, but no good on that first attempt.
Eleven seconds remaining here. Still from the side of the SDI Olympians. Cario, 4 seconds now on the corner for a three-pointer. That's good. And now that's the way you end the quarter. Now let's see it all over again. Jersey number 0, Martinez. Nakailang 3-point shot na dito sa laban ng Mariners at SDI. 55-62. We will be back for more action sa ating last quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our fourth and final quarter again matchup between the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the STI Olympians. So this is the final quarter for both teams. So dapat maging all out na dito ang dalawang kupunan if they want to win this match. Again, everyone, this is the last week of our second round of elimination and bukas po, abangan natin ang mga exciting pang match-up para dito sa ating Bucal Season 6.
Now, what a good way to end the third quarter. But I buy the 3-point shot of Martinez of the STI Olympians. Napakaganda nung talagang pinakita dito ni Martinez from the second quarter to third quarter. Yung mga thrust na binibitawan niya, napakaganda, talagang nakakadagdag dito sa puntos ng ating STI Olympians. At ngayon nga, 7 na lamang po kanilang hinahabol against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And meron pa tayong 10 minuto para malaman kung sino nga ba ang mananalo sa laban na ito. Now, Blue Dolphins loses that ball. So, it will be an opportunity for the STI Olympians para sunod-sunod na yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. Another steal here, Martinez to Berse. Sayang, hindi pa naipasok yan. And the ball will stay on the side of the STI Olympians.
So it's their chance to make bawi on that last wasted opportunity. Cario passing the ball to Berse. Wala pa din. Offensive rebound para sa STI Olympians. Pero Razon nagmamadali on the side of the Blue Dolphins. That's why turnover on their side. STI Olympians on the offense, 62-56 on our scoreboard. And to hear an update sa side ng STI Olympians, let's call our courtside reporter Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup, and during the huddle, the boys were reminded to take their time at huwag magmamadali, commit less errors, and make sure to convert every opportunity to a high percentage offense, one basket at a time. This remaining 10 minutes will be the time to correct their lapses on the previous quarters and secure the win once and for all. That's the latest here on the side of the STI Olympians. Back to you, Tinender.
Thank you so much, Ali. Iyan nga, eyes to the ball. Dahil nga itong ating STI Olympians, paunti-unti na nilang nakukuha ulit yung kanilang momentum dito. 59-62, 3 puntos na lamang po ang kanilang hinahabol dito. While on the other side, hindi dapat magpakampante itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins dahil nakikita na natin yung pagpursige ngayon ng STI Olympians to get again on their momentum. And to hear an update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Chin. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup. Talagang pinag-igihan ng Blue Dolphins na makuha ang advantage against their opponent. Paalala ni Coach Stan, huwag na huwag maging kampante at mas gawin ang lahat para ma-maintain ang kanilang kalamangan. Strong defense and good offense ang kailangan. Coaches commended their effort pero paalala nila, doble trabaho pa sa last quarter ng matchup na ito. Ika nga ni Coach, kinuha na natin ang third quarter. Kukunin pa natin ang fourth quarter. Atin tong laban na ito. Makuha kaya nila ang kanilang minimiting panalo for this game. Yan ang dapat natin abangan. For now, balik sa inyo. We can see.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. Ayan, kailangan pag-igihan pa dito ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins ang fourth quarter na ito because at this moment, nagiinit na ang ating STI Olympians kaya naman nakatayo na dito ang ibang fans ng kanilang school. Back on the third attempt doon sa ating Blue Dolphin side. Makakabawi din dito ng 2 points.
Ayan nga Rick, nakita natin yung last sequence doon sa side ng ating STI Olympians. Berse denied that ball at pumunta agad doon sa kanilang corner at nakuha yung puntos na yon. At ngayon, 3 puntos na lamang po ang hinahabol ng STI Olympians. Kaya kailangan panghawakan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins yung kanilang kalamangan dyan. At tuloy-tuloy nga po ang pagpuntos ngayon ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins with that last sequence coming from Bacolod.
And now, ano kaya ang gagawin dito ng STI para maidikit ang laban na ito? 7 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. And that's good para dito kay Alex Cario. Wow! Napakaganda ng exchange of points dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Talagang intense na intense. That's why ang ating mga supporters team dito sa loob talagang nagsisigawan at talagang full support on their different or perspective school. That's why ginaganahan din dito ang mga players sa loob ng court.
At ayan nga rin, grabe yung excitement natin dito ngayon. Dahil 64-66, this is what fourth quarter looks like. Dikit yung laban, napakaganda ng depensa at opensa ng dalawang kupunan. Bawal bumitaw doon sa momentum na hawak nila ngayon. Mas lalo na itong ating Mariners dahil nasa kanila yung 2 puntos na kalamangan. Now let's see it as Bacolod with that ball. Dire-diretso sa loob. Passes to Razon. Now to Malaluan. 12 seconds to shoot. Loses it. And that will be a lost opportunity for the Mariners.
Crucial error committed by Malaluan on that last sequence. Again, nasa final and deciding quarter na tayo. So, you cannot afford to lose or give a chance to your opponent if you want to win this game. Now, Berse passing the ball to his teammate. Cario, one more time! And Cario delivers Grabe naman itong Sicario. Back-to-back 3 points and then Barredo with that steal.
At ngayon nga, Rick, nasa STI Olympians na po ang kalamangan. 67-66. And now, a whistle foul there. Grabe, Alex Cario. Dalawang 3-point shot yung nagawa niya ngayon dito sa pagsimula ng ating fourth quarter. Napakabilis lang. 5 minutes and 38 seconds na lamang ang meron po tayo ngayon. Pero dikit na dikit po ang laban ng Blue Dolphins at Olympians. 67-66.
1-point game para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, Blue Dolphins has the chance to get and regain the lead. And now, abante na naman dito ng 1 puntos ang kanilang kupunan. Now, anong sagot dito ng STI Olympians?
Now, let's see. As Russell is with that ball, 14 seconds to shoot. Diretso sa loob. Hindi pa tapos yung STI Olympians. Grabe, sunod-sunod yung pagpuntos nila dito. Now, Martinez back on the court on the side of the STI Olympians. Now it will be the ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins with a 1-point lead coming from the side of the Olympians. Now, Malaluan with that ball. Dire-diretso sa loob. Rason for an easy layup. Palitan na ng puntos dito rin kaya mahirap pa sabi.
Yes. Grabe, nakita niya pa doon si Razon on that last sequence. That's why abante ulit dito ng isa. Palaging nagkakaroon ng magandang palitan ng score dito. Ang dalawang kupunan na ito, Malaluan, heavily guarded here. And now, it's their chance to add their score. And that's it. Another 2 points was added on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. That's why napatawag dito ang STI Olympians ng ating timeout to make sure na hindi magkakaroon ng lobong kalamangan ang hawak itong Mariners Blue Dolphins. So let's see after this timeout kung ano ang magiging adjustment on the side of STI, knowing na nilabas dito si Cario na siya yung nagbigay ng almost 6 points sa kanilang kupunan to lessen the gap na hawak ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. So let's see kung ibabalik ba dito si Cario or magsistick dito si coach on his 5 players on the court.
At ayun nga, Rick, 69-72, 3-point lead of the Mariners Blue Dolphins with only 4 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Napakaganda po nung sunod-sunod na senaryo natin dito sa ating last quarter. From Mariners Blue Dolphins offense as well as the defense at yung depensa din ng STI Olympians sa pinangungunahan dyan ni Perse at yung kanilang opensa with Alex Cario and Martinez. Now let's see with this halfway through the last quarter. Ano kaya yung mangyayari dito? Will it be a change of momentum here lalong-lalo na ngayon na medyo lumaki yung kalamangan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. 3 puntos, malaki na to para sa ating STI Olympians. And now let's see as we continue here the basketball game of the STI Olympians.
Nabanggit mo kanina yung mga standout players on the side of STI Olympians. On the other side of things naman, we have Razon and Malaluan na talagang napakaganda ng combination. And the ball will remain on the side of the STI Olympians. Medyo tahimik ngayon sa ating fourth quarter si Bacolod on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila ditong magandang depensa para hindi magkaroon ng puntos ang ating STI Olympians. Now Barredo to inbound.
11 seconds to shoot here for the side of the STI Olympians. Martinez again, no good. Pero the ball will go on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Pero tatawagan ng foul dyan si Berse. Now this is an opportunity again for the Mariners Blue Dolphins to extend their lead here dahil hindi sila kailangan magpakampante dito dahil mabilis lang humabol itong ating STI Olympians and Corporal tries for a 3-pointer but no good. Now Martinez passes here to Berse. Berse no good. Wala pa rin for a second chance. Now Razon having that ball possession. Tanis. Berse was there to steal that ball. Martinez again, 20 seconds to shoot. Nagmamadali dito, fadeaway shot, that's good this time. And with that, isang puntos ang hinahabol ngayon ng STI Olympians. But Corporal, one more time, no good.
But 2 shots will be given on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Again, isang puntos na naman po ang dapat ditong mahabol nitong STI Olympians. But let's see, on these 2 shots given on the side of the Blue Dolphins, kung magkakaroon sila ng magandang abante. They really need this one, but unfortunately on that first attempt, hindi pumasok. Let's see, para dito sa pangalawang attempt na ito, kung makakakuha si Bacolod ng basket. No good pa din, but Razon on that offensive rebound. Bacolod taking their time here, 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins. Malaluan, looking for his teammate, passing the ball to Bacolod, and a 24-shot clock violation will be given on the side of the Blue Dolphins. That's why magkakaroon ulit ng tsansa dito ang STI upang makalamang na at this moment sa Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Ayan, sayang nga yung opportunity na yun para sa Mariners. Now, Cario with that ball. Heavily guarded here. Passes here to Martinez. Martinez ulit titira ng 3. And that's good. Big 3 for Martinez. And with that, 2 points yung hawak ngayon ng ating STI Olympians. Huwag na dapat pakawalan to ng STI. Razon tries. No good. Corporal for a second chance. Pero hindi pa pumasok. But it will stay on their side here with 14 seconds to shoot. Pero time out yung itatawag dito ng Mariners Blue Dolphins dahil 2 puntos po yung nawala sa kanila dito at ang daming opportunity na hindi nakuha dito ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. 2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. 74-72. Napakagandang laban po ang ating napapanood ngayon, and even the fans of the Mariners and the STI, grabe yung support ang ibinibigay nila sa kanilang mga kupunan.
So kanina pa nga napakaganda ng laro. Simula nung ating first match up until dito sa ating panghuling match up. Back to the ball game na tayo. 2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. 74-72. Abante po dito ng dalawang STI Olympians. What would be the adjustment on both teams to finally secure the win para sa araw na ito?
Now we are back on the ball game. 2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Grabe yung laban ng Mariners at STI. From the offense and defense, talagang lumalaban itong ating dalawang kupunan nito. But now, this is the ball possession of the Mariners. Corporal for a 3-pointer, no good. Malaluan with that rebound, pero a traveling violation was committed by Martinez. Very crucial error para sa kanila dito. Pero this will be an opportunity sa Mariners para itay yung game or even get the lead. But Alex Cario was there to snatch that ball and take on a 4-point lead against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Napalaki na sa 4. Let's see if this will continue on the side of the Olympians. Mariners, Malaluan. 14 seconds to shoot. Passes on the corner. Corporal again for a 3. Grabe. Walang tigil na opensa at magandang depensa po ang ipinapakita ng ating dalawang kupunan. Muling nagising yung diwa ng mga nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Napakaganda ng larong ito. That's why enjoy na enjoy ang mga nanonood sa atin live na live dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And last 2 minutes of the game. And the ball will go on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now, 76-75, a minute and 35 seconds remaining. This is still a long time with this kind of game between these two teams. Now let's see. Mariners on the offense. Corporal again for a 3-pointer. No good this time. At andyan si Montana to get that rebound. Martinez ngayon. Passes to Barredo. Barredo on the inside. But a foul was whistled here. A minute and 13 seconds remaining. Barredo will be on the free throw line. Kailangan niya itong maipasok to have that lead against the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Magkakaroon po ng review on that last sequence ang ating mga officials. Let's wait kung ano magiging decision nila. Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout po kay James Brian, kay Kian Donya, De Los Reyes CJ, Jerome Jose, kay Chen Nicolas, at kay Wa Villaflor. Maraming salamat po sa pag-suporta dito sa match-up between the Olympians and the Blue Dolphins.
And without quick replay, Barredo will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. No good. That first attempt. So this is still a chance for the Mariners Blue Dolphins with a 1-point lead coming from the side of the Olympians. One more time. Still no good here. Pero offensive rebound dito kay Montana. Wala pa rin. And the ball will go on the side of the Mariners. Isang puntos na kalamangan. Napakabilis lang po itong makuha. So they need to be consistent. Now, napapalapit na tayo sa 1 minuto ng laro. Alex Cario securing. And the ball will go on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 56 seconds remaining. A good matchup, good set of players, good offense and defense from both sides. So both teams really deserve to get this win. But let's see who wins and who loses. Now Corporal passes to Razon, denied. Nagkakagawan dito. And Montana secured that ball. And it will be the basketball of the SDI Olympians. And we only have 42 seconds remaining. A nerve-wracking game of the SDI and the Mariners. SDI's basketball. Barredo to inbound. 42 seconds remaining. 1-point lead coming from their team. They need to secure this ball possession. Now, Martinez. A steal from the side of the Mariners. Corporal. Foul was whistled. And he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Grabe. Yung laro ng Mariners at ng SDI. 33 seconds for 76-75. Now the fans booing Corporal here. Now let's see if they can distract him. Pero first free throw was good, so we are tied at 76 all. Corporal for his second free throw. That's good. Now, with that, the timeout was called. From the side of the SDI Olympians. Dahil nasa Mariners na po ang kalamangan. And at this time, without 33 seconds, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari. So the question is, will it be the Mariners Blue Dolphins or the SDI Olympians that will go home with a win this evening? The course, kudos din sa ating supporters dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. From the fans of the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the STI Olympians, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. At pati na rin po sa ating live viewers sa ating Facebook Live sa Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout kay Wavilla Flor, Alea Mirabueno, kay John Carlo Raro, kay Kirk Francis Rodriguez, at kay Rex Belgica. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now back to the ball game with only 33 seconds remaining. STI versus Mariners Blue Dolphins. Blue Dolphins with the lead here of 1 point. Very crucial ang remaining time po natin ngayon. So no more room for error. Now STS basketball. Barredo to inbound.
33 seconds remaining for our match and only 1 point lead ang hawak. And let's see kung makakabawi ba ang STI. But the ball will remain on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. It's their ball possession. Talagang kumakapit ang dalawang kupunan na to win their match dito sa gabing ito. Napakaganda ng match-up. Kaya sulit na sulit po ang panunood ng mga live audiences dito and also live viewers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Now, kailangan itong maipasok on the side of the Mariners. But unfortunately on that first attempt, hindi ito pumasok.
Second time. That's good. Now, with a 2-point lead, 27 seconds remaining. STI Olympians on the offense now. Cario with the ball. Heavily guarded here by Corporal or Bacolod. "19 seconds remaining. STI's basketball. And Barredo will inbound the ball here. 2-point lead of the Mariners. Now, Barredo gets that ball, passes on the corner. At nakuha po. Montana cutting that basket. And we are tied on 78 all. Now let's see it all over again. Pass to Montana, getting that point, tying the game with only 12 seconds remaining left. Well, let's see if this will be an overtime or the Mariners Blue Dolphins will do something about it.
Talagang ayaw bumitaw ng dalawang kupunan na ito. 78 all with a remaining time of 12 seconds. Ano ang gagawin dito on the side of Mariners Blue Dolphins to get this game? Or will the STI Olympians forcing this game into an overtime? Yan ang malalaman natin dito sa natitirang 12 seconds.
At ayun nga, Rick, we are back on the ball game and all the fans talagang kinakabahan dito. Last ball possession pero hindi natin alam kung ito bang Mariners Blue Dolphins with their ball possession of 12 seconds, they can do something about it. Get a point here or the STI Olympians. May gagawin dito para makuha yung panalo. Now, Mariners on the offense, 12 seconds remaining, 78 all. Malaluan to inbound. Now let's see, with this last sequence, 12 seconds remaining, Bacolod taking up their time here. They need to do something STI, anong gagawin din ditong depensa? And that's it! Panis gets that basket, 3 seconds remaining. Let's see. Depensang kailangan ngayon ng Mariners Blue Dolphins to really secure the win. Now Cario going in. At that's the end of this matchup. What a great game we've watched this evening. Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the STI Olympians. A good matchup, a good fight, good sets of players for the offense and the defense. We ended by 78-80. Napakagandang laban. Congratulations to Mariners Blue Dolphins and also sa ating STI Olympians. At sa ating pagbabalik, we will be right back with our best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by Lemon Residence. Live your dreams, create memories. At Dugong Blue Dolphins nga ang nangibabaw for this game. What an exemplary performance coming from them. Our best player of the game is jersey number 11 with 16 points, 6 rebounds, and 4 steals. He is none other than Jevon Rason. Hello, Jevon. Grabe, what an exemplary performance coming from the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Matanong lang kita, grabe, dikdikan yung laban kanina. Matanong kita, ano ba yung personal adjustments sa ginawa mo para maipanalo ninyo itong laban na ito?
Based kay Coach, magpo-focus po kami sa defense and sumunod lang po sa set play na pinapagawa sa amin, yun lang po.
Jevon, matanong lang kita dahil grabe yung mga shooting mo kanina. Ano ba ang inspiration mo or motivation mo bago ka sumalang dito sa game?
Yung girlfriend ko po, tapos kay mama, kina lola, and sa family ko po, family Rason and Cado.
Jevon, congratulations at dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, you have the chance to greet all the people behind your success.
Thank you po, and sa lahat ng sumusuporta po sa Mariners Polytechnic College, and sa mga staff ng Mariners, thank you po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it. That is our best player of the game from the Mariners Blue Dolphins, Jevon Rason. Ako pumili si Kayla Casulia. Balik sa inyo, Recantin.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 13, Jevon Razon. Napakagandang performance po ang pinakita ngayon ng Mariners Blue Dolphins and kudos din po sa ating STI Olympians dahil napakaganda din po yung ibinigay nilang laro against the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Ayan, tinakala ko nga magkakaroon pa tayo ng overtime. But again, yan ang nangyayari dito sa Bucal Season 6. So tomorrow, abangan natin ang iba't ibang matches pa para sa ating final round of second round of elimination. And next week, magkakaroon po tayo ng yung mas maaksyong labanan dito sa loob ng Bucal Season 6. Again, my name is Rick Perta.
And I am Steve.
Tutok lamang Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga